Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these coconut cherry rectangles. And so you can make them with the cherries totally covered up, or you can leave the cherries exposed. So let's get started. In this bowl, I have about a half a cup of coconut oil. And I'm going to add 1 cup, approximately, of icing sugar. Okay, about 1 cup of icing sugar. And to that, I'm going to add just a little bit of milk. I'll start with 1 tablespoon. And I'm going to mix all this together. You may have to soften your coconut oil. So I'm just going to get this started in the coconut oil section. And then I'm going to pull my icing sugar in. So just keep adding a bit of milk, a little at a time. And then after you have it all mixed in, you're going to beat it. Like that. I'm going to add some coconut. Mix that in. And I'm going to use these biscuits, and I'm going to place just enough on here to hold my cherry in place. And I have some maraschino cherries. So I'll take a cherry and I'll dry it off a bit. Place that down. Like that. And add more of my coconut frosting over the top. Like that. And then I'm going to drizzle some melted chocolate over the top. And so you can make them with the cherries totally covered up, or you can leave the cherries exposed.